Hi everyone, and welcome to this very first video of our Python for Data Analysis course. I am Arya Bhushan and I am so excited to take you on this learning journey. In this series, you will learn everything you need to kickstart your analysis skill using Python. Why should we learn Python for data analysis? Because Python is one of the easiest programming languages to learn, and it's incredibly powerful when it comes to working with data. From business and finance to healthcare and research, Python is used everywhere. Plus, it has an amazing library like NumPy and Panda that make data handling a breeze. Now let's see what you will need to get started. All you need is a computer with an internet connection, a basic understanding of mathematics, and most importantly, passion for learning and exploring data. We will be using Python along with tools like Jupyter Notebook or Google Colab for writing and running our code. This course is designed to be short and sweet, with bite-sized videos around 5 minutes long, packed with practical examples. By the end of this series, you will be ready to tackle real-world data problems. Now let's see what you will gain at the end of this course. You will be equipped with data cleaning and manipulation skill. You will be proficient in visualization and analyzing using Python. You will gain confidence to work on real world data projects. Now let's see who is this course for. This course is perfect for beginners, professionals wanting to upskill, students aiming for data science career, or anyone simply curious about working with data. There is no prior coding experience required. I will guide you step by step. This video will also be helpful in the last minute revision before any interview. Are you ready to dive in? In the next video, we will set up Python on your computer and write your very first Python code. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video and share it with others who might be interested in learning Python. Let's begin our journey into the world of data. Thank you and Jai Hind.